How to choose quality products in AliExpress. Before buying anything in AliExpress, it's a good idea to check a few things. Open AliExpress. Search or select the product you need. First, check the product star rating. It's must above for 0.1%. Customers give good rating for only good items. Second, make sure to read the product description and specifications to ensure it meets your needs. Third, check customer reviews to get an idea of the product's quality and performance. Fourth, ensure that the rating on the seller's page is more than 90%. Their conversation rating is more than for 0.1%. And the positive feedback from users of his page is more than 90%. Also, don't forget to compare prices from different sellers to get the best deal. And review the seller's return policy in case you need to return or exchange the item. If you have any doubts, comment below. Please like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.